Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. So from any screen, it's on sat nav at the moment. We click the telephone there, no phone connected. Do you want to connect a device now? Well, the answer is no, but you've got to click yes, and then it brings up this other screen. Search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices, and there you go, you've got my phone there. So if I click on that, you've got delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, and so on. So I want to delete pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone. Yeah, we've gone through all those, not to delete it. So that's it, that's how you delete it.